Hi everyone, this is Debbie. So there might be some irony in me posting this video today, as I did not thoroughly read the instructions at the beginning of the week and posted my own post by writing instead of a screencast. I am going to post this screencast right here in answer to Colleen and Jan's discussion about whether or not there could be some sort of evidence that they could see that students actually are reading their announcements or listening to their videos. And I'll have to admit that even though I ironically did not read the instructions this week, I have often had the same problem. I will post what I think are very explicit instructions about an assignment or a reading, and I will get several emails, or at least one or two emails, asking me to explain something else about the project, and it's something that I had in the video or in the announcement. I do have to say, though, that I think, all in all, I think that students are viewing and looking at the announcements. For the most part, it's probably just a couple of people who don't. I think I posted back several weeks ago that students will say that in evaluations. They will be thankful that they had the sort of face-to-face contact or the explicit instructions or the videos and the added information on the course. So again, for the most part, I think they are looking at them. So let's keep doing them. Thanks.